HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, would you like to draw and paint a baby stroller? Oh, that would be so cute. Okay, we are doing the bottom part and we've got two wheels, so that's a big circle, a smaller one inside it, an even smaller one in the middle, and then the spokes. Two of those. So we're doing the same again. Perfect, well done. Then we're going to do the hood with a little bit of a frill on the edge, some detail and the handle and a heart. How about the baby's hands reaching out for a hug? Blackening up the border. It really makes our colour stand out once we paint it. Right, ready to paint. Let's go for pale pink for the baby's hands. Kind of peachy pink. Oh, okay, green for the frills. Let's do every other segment green and pink in between. Wow, that is vibrant, don't you think? You can do yours any colour you like, of course. I'm going for blue next for the rim of the pram. And some brown for the handle. How about a dark brown on the end? Brilliant. And yellow for the main part, painting around my love heart. I love the colours yellow and blue next to each other. They look really cool. That's it. Okay, red for my love heart, of course. But you can be as creative as you like. Going for dark brown for the tyres. And yellow in the middle. How about purple in between every other spoke? And let's go for green next to the purple. That is cool and it matches the hood. Yes, same again on the other wheel, so dark brown on the outside. Yellow in the middle, and then purple and green alternating. Wow, that looks so cool. Baby stroller, where are you? Here I am, green, purple too. Yay! That looks amazing! Well done, you did a great job.